Oh, what's up, y'all? Wait. All right. What's happening, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to my to my Facebook Live and stuff like that. You know. So I'm live vlogging on my balcony. You know. So I'm here on my balcony, just chilling and stuff like that, hanging out and stuff like that. You know. Okay. Oh, hello. Doing a live stream.
Oh, really?
It's gonna be on YouTube eventually. Y'all won't be on, huh? All right. All right. Not y'all. All righty. Yep. Well, helicopter. Let's show the helicopter. Wherever that is. Helicopter. Let's see the helicopter. All right. Making sure nothing don't happen though, you know. But I do want to go see my best friend next door, you know. So she moving next month, you know. Okay. So. All right. So anyway, y'all, I'm just here vlogging just for the heck of it, you know. Okay. Wait a minute. There's some people out here. Some more people that's walking around and stuff like that, you know, for the parades and stuff. Yo, hear that motorcycle somewhere? Motorcycles is loud today. All right, so as I was saying, y'all, I'm vlogging on my balcony and stuff like that. So hanging out and stuff like that, doing this and doing that and everything, you know. Make sure everything is cool with us, you know. We fine over here, you know. Okay, vlogging on my balcony and stuff like that. So the reason why I'm not out for mardi gras, if y'all watch my Instagram live that was just posted or it will be posted eventually. Okay, because of COVID concerns, you know. That there's some people with masks and some people without masks, you know. So I'm not gonna go out there because I don't want to catch this coronavirus. You know, it'll probably spread in the air. You know, who knows? You know, long as you don't get too close. You know, so social distance yourself. You know, golly. Seems to seem like we'll have to social distance for the rest of our lives on this one. Okay, so I'm gonna watch the news tonight. I'm gonna watch the news tomorrow and stuff like that. If the COVID cases don't rise, I might go to the St. Patrick's Day parade on Metairie Road. I might. I don't know. Okay, so if possible, I might not go to the parade for St. Patrick's Day. I don't know. Okay, but we'll have to see. You know. So I had a nice time talking to Jaree. Somehow she got disconnected. You know. Finally on my show after all these years. You know. Okay. All right. So. All right. So as I was saying though, Shamika, my next door neighbor, my best friend, I'm sure gonna miss her being next door, you know. So, but she said I'm not gonna see her no more. I'm gonna say it like this: I'm not gonna see her on a daily basis no more, you know. That's the deal. I'm not gonna see her on a daily basis no more. That's what she mean. Okay, I'm not gonna be seeing her often no more. You know. So, you know what? I knew I kept saying that I'm gonna buy a house and all that. I'm gonna move and stuff like that. I don't know when, but I want to get out of here. You know. Okay. It's too noisy around here and stuff like that. It's peaceful when they want to be peaceful. You know. But the way I think about it, y'all, I definitely want to get the heck, you know. So, honestly, I'm so happy that my best friend moving somewhere better, you know. Better atmosphere, better parish and stuff like that, you know. Yep, so the law said the same, we gonna go, you know. Everything will be good, because God gonna open the door for me, you know. And then Dominique, I think she loved mardi gras, you know. So y'all haven't seen Dominique on my show before, you know, but I'm pretty sure that y'all watched that the video she was in, you know. So if you're watching me on YouTube, I'm not gonna post the link in the description box, you know. I'm gonna post the link in the description box of a video when I have a chance, you know. Okay. So, who all love carnival? I love king cakes, you know, eat that red beans, love that chicken from Popeyes, and stuff like that, you know. So the way I think about it, ladies and gentlemen, you know, everybody's out here having a ball. How you doing? I'm just doing the live stream in case you're wondering. All right, happy Mardi Gras to you and have fun. All right, and by the way, don't forget to watch my show, yeah. What's your show? The name of my channel is Domino 866 Gameplay. All right, I hope you enjoy the show. Well, if he find it, he gonna be very disappointed, you know. So I'm not gonna show his face though, but he gonna be disappointed because I'm not at the parade this year, you know. So yeah, you know. All right, I'm about to go charge this phone and stuff like that, you know. Thank y'all for watching my live stream from Facebook, eventually on YouTube and stuff like that. And I'll upload the Instagram video eventually on 3 of my channels, okay? Bye-bye, y'all.